Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now in this video, we'll see our transfer journal. Now one thing is that there's a common difference between transfer journal and transfer order. So transfer order is a complete process. So when I say complete process, so there's a receiving, shipment, everything is there. But whereas transfer journals, they are really very simple. Now in this video, we'll be talking about transfer journals only. Now let me navigate to system and show you one by one. So when you will go to inventory management and you expand your journal entries and you expand your this item node, so you have this transfer journal option, but whereas your transfer order will be available here. So now let me click on this transfer journal and let me create a new, and here let's do one thing. We'll create our own journal name. So I'll duplicate this tab and let me navigate to inventory management again, and I will go to my setup, and inside setup let me go to my journal name and I will click on this inventory. So if you see currently this I transfer order is there. So if you see here, your transfer journal type is transfer, right? The only thing that we need to change is this one. So I will click on new, and here instead of this ITRF I will say SGRITRF, and here instead of movement we need to change it to transfer journal, and we can give a description, but I'm not going to give it. So I will simply save this. Now let me create the transfer journal again, and this time we'll select our this one, the Sagar inventory transfer journal, and I will click OK. Yes. So here now interesting thing is when I click on this new button, I will select a product. So let me select any item. So I'm going to go with this product. And here if you see, I need to tell from which site, I want to move product to which site. So now for that, I will need to go to my, what do we call, the on-hand form. So I will go to my inventory management again, and I will navigate to my inquiries and reports and on-hand list. And I will search for my this D365 product. I will click on apply, and assume I want to move one inventory from my this one site 11 warehouse to one site 13 warehouse, like just one inventory, so that the count reduced to 100 and here it is increased to 9. So for that I can go here, I can select my site as I'm moving across the same site, so I can select one here. But here I want to move it from 11 warehouse to 13 warehouse, so I will select 11 and I will select here 13. Again, how many quantities? Okay, so the quantities will be negative because you are moving from one either it may be site, warehouse, location, right? In our case we do not have location, so we only have warehouse. So I'm going to just reduce one item from here, and that will be going to this particular warehouse. So I will simply go with my one quantity only. Now I will save it, and let me do a validate here. I'll click OK. Alright, now this pass. Now I will post my transaction. So let me post this, and I will click OK. And here you see my journal is posted now. And if you'll go back to your form, now I'll refresh this. So you can see the quantity has been reduced by 1 here, and that particular quantity has been moved to this warehouse and it has been increased by 1. This is how we can use transfer journal. It's a very simple process when you want to move your items, I can say across, it may be across your warehouses, or if you have location as well, so you can move it across location as well. It gives us a full flexibility here. So that is how we can use transfer journal. But if you talk about your transfer order, let me go to transfer order once. Here we do the receive and shipment. So if you open any, let me open this one. Okay, and here if you see, when you transfer your quantities, you need to do a shipment, you need to do receive as well. So it's in this particular transfer order scenario, you have more visibility of what is being changed. You know, you have everything, you have journals, document, everything is there. So, that is for this video. We have seen how we can leverage transfer journal in D365. Thank you for watching this video.